Have you ever contemplated the marvel of a dragonfly's agile flight or the industrious nature of an ant colony? Now imagine these creatures not in their present form, but as their prehistoric predecessors. What adaptations allowed them to survive, thrive, and evolve over hundreds of millions of years? Today we embark on a journey back in time, delving into the world of prehistoric insects and their fascinating adaptations. Our journey begins in the Silurian period around 440 million years ago, where the first insects are believed to have emerged. These early insects, like the Rhyniognatha, were wingless, and likely lived a life similar to modern silverfish. They were small, terrestrial, and adapted to survive in the undergrowth, hiding from predators. Fast forward to the Devonian period about 380 million years ago, insects began developing wings, a groundbreaking adaptation that opened up new avenues of survival and propagation. Now insects could avoid predators, explore new habitats, and find food more efficiently. The Carboniferous period, approximately 300 million years ago, saw the evolution of some truly gigantic insects, like the dragonfly relative Meganeura, which boasted a wingspan of nearly 2 feet. The high oxygen levels during this period allowed insects to grow to these enormous sizes. As we move to the Permian period, about 290 million years ago, we see another major adaptation: the development of metamorphosis. Insects like beetles, moths, and butterflies began their lives as larvae, transforming into adults through a process known as metamorphosis. This adaptation allowed these insects to exploit different resources at different stages of their lives, thereby reducing competition. The Mesozoic era, around 230 million years ago, brought the evolution of social behavior in insects, specifically in ants and termites. These insects began living in colonies, cooperating for the benefit of the group. This social structure allowed for efficient division of labor and increased survival rates. Fast forward to the Cretaceous period, about 100 million years ago, and we see the rise of flowering plants. In response, insects like bees evolved to feed on nectar and pollen, developing specialized body parts for this purpose. This mutualistic relationship between flowering plants and insects led to a coevolution, shaping the biodiversity we see today. In summary, the journey of prehistoric insects is one of constant adaptation and evolution. From the first wingless insects of the Silurian period, through the era of giant insects in the Carboniferous period, to the emergence of social behavior and the development of specialized feeding mechanisms, insects have continually adapted to their changing environments. These adaptations have not only allowed them to survive, but also to flourish, making insects one of the most successful groups of organisms on Earth. Their story is a testament to the power of adaptation and the relentless march of evolution.